We get the review sheet out for the Chapter 1 test. And there are 20 questions on the review. How many questions do you think are on the test?
20.
20. Are these the questions?
No.
Nope. But they're very, very, very similar.
So basically what you're saying is you're going to have the same exact questions but change the numbers.
Pretty much. They might be in a different order also, but they're basically the same questions. Yeah, when I make up the test, this thing's sitting right next to me.
Huh.
What's that? I don't know. I think I have one and I let somebody borrow it, and I don't think I do. Let me check. Would a pen with a troll doll on it work?
Oh, that's cute.
Just make sure I get it back. It's my most cherished pen that I have. I'm joking. I have no idea where that came from.
Probably one of your kids.
No. Okay, so let's look at question number 1. If you can do number 1 in your head, good for you. Show your work. Okay? All right, so question number 1. I need to move this over here so students at home can see it. Okay, so question number 1, it says x minus 5. And there's not a whole lot of work to show on this one. How do you do this one in 2 words? Yes, ma'am.
In 2 words.
Sure. How do you solve it?
All
Add
you have
5.
to do is add 5 to both sides.
Okay, that's a few more than 2 words, but that'll work. And 5 to both sides. These cancel.
X equals
X
negative
equals
2.
-2. Are we done?
Yeah.
Because x is by itself. Okay? Any question on that one?
No.
Number 2. Okay? I will tell you this
I do got
on
a
your
question.
test. Okay, we have 110 degrees.
I do got a question.
We have 80 degrees. We have 60 degrees. We have x. I will tell you on your test that if it's a 4-sided figure, that the 4 angles add up to 360 degrees.
Okay,
I will tell you that. Okay? You don't need to memorize that. I will tell you that. They add up to 360. So how are we going to find out what x is?
110 plus 80.
110 plus
80 plus 60
plus
equals
80
X.
plus x equals what?
360.
All we're doing is saying this angle plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle adds up to 360. And we clean that up by adding 110 and 80 and 60. We do that, we get 250.
250 plus X equals.
And the last thing we do,
Negative, no, minus 250.
minus 250. Do we put negative 250 or minus 250?
They're the same.
It's the same thing. The answer is 360
So
minus
you-
250, which is
190.
110.
Oh, yeah, no.
Okay? Any question on that one? Again, show your work, okay? If you can do it in your head, good. Show your work anyhow. I don't know what's going on in your head. Question number 3. If we go too fast, please somebody tell me. I want to get through this, but I don't want to rush either.
Don't you divide 3 by
Divide each side by 3. And I might mark you wrong if you do this. If you go divide 3, that's not the way we show it. How do we show division?
the line?
A fraction bar, a line. That's the way, it's not like K.O.'s way, that's every man teacher, that's how they do it. You show division like that.
Yep.
Cross these off, the answer is x equals 27 divided by 3, which is 9. Number 4. Negative 5 equals x over 2. We got to get rid of the 2. How?
Times it
How come, why times?
because it's division.
It's division, the opposite of dividing 2, times 2, times 2. 2's cancel, x equals 2 times negative 5, which is negative 10. And again, not that anybody's doing this, but don't just write down the answer as negative 10. Show your work, okay? It doesn't matter what the answer is if you don't know how we got it, okay? If you go home and, all I can tell you is this. The answer, if all you do is put down 9, that's all you put down was 9, all I can tell you is, you know what, on the test, the answer is going to be